Welcome to our video on chemical engineering for sustainable ammonia production. We're going to explore how chemical engineers are tackling one of the planet's biggest sustainability challenges. Ammonia, or NH3, is essential for global agriculture, but its traditional production is energy-intensive and not sustainable. Feeding the world requires ammonia, but saving the world requires us to make it differently. This is where the chemical engineer steps in. The journey to sustainable production starts small, at the lab scale, focusing on research and development. Here, chemical engineers study reaction kinetics and develop new, more efficient catalysts to drive the ammonia synthesis process. We meticulously prove that the reaction works and is feasible at a small scale before scaling up, minimizing risk, and optimizing performance. Once the lab work is validated, we move to the digital realm, process simulation. Software like Aspen Plus allows engineers to model and predict the behavior of complex chemical processes before investing in expensive equipment. This phase focuses on applied thermodynamics and optimizing unit operations, such as the flash separator, to efficiently manage energy and product streams.